Looking for a simple tripod for your phone? Let me show you this one, Ulanzi MA09 cell phone selfie stick with remote. I ordered it from the official store in China. It cost me about $12 plus $5 for shipping. It came well packed, not damaged at all. Everything was clean and safe. It's super light, only 413 grams, but it can hold up to 1.5 kilograms. Folded, it's just 30 centimeters. Open it up to 180 centimeters. That's a big difference. It's enough for most tasks. Let's take a look at the tripod. You can use it as a tripod or as selfie stick. The tripod feels nice to the touch and is made of high quality plastic. It has a nice handle and a phone holder. It can be easily extended in height to fit the desired size. The phone holder is designed to accommodate larger devices, including models like the iPhone Pro Max. I also have another tripod from Ulanzi with MagSafe. There is already a video on my channel, you can check it out. Both are great, just made for different uses. This tripod works only with smartphones, not with big cameras. It has 4 feet that sit wide and low, so it stands steady even on a smooth floor. But one thing to know. If you touch the tripod when you start recording, it might shake a little. That's why it comes with a remote. You can start recording without touching the tripod. Much better, no shaking. By the way, if you find this video helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And you have any questions, write a comment below. This tripod is really easy to use and anyone can handle it without any problems. In this video, I'm not promoting this company and nobody paid me for this. I'm just sharing the gadgets and gear that I personally use. I work a lot with filming equipment and I want to be helpful and share it with you. Even though the tripod shakes a bit when you touch it, it's actually very stable because its legs are set low and wide. It may be small, but when fully extended, it's quite impressive. And this handle is really convenient because while filming you can smoothly turn the phone. Just a quick reminder to subscribe and give this video a thumb up. It helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to make more content for you. Now let me show you my old tripod. It's heavy, has 3 legs and it's much bigger. You can't fit it in a backpack, but it's still useful and strong even for cameras. It's very stable and doesn't wobble. There is even a hook at the bottom so you can hang something heavy to make it more stable. Now back to Ulanzi. One cool feature, it can shoot top down. Perfect if you film unboxings, food, crafts or table content. Not many tripods have these features. It's tall enough to film from above. This angle looks really interesting in videos. It all comes down to what you want to achieve and how creative you are. You can switch between vertical and horizontal shooting. That's great for YouTube, TikTok, Shorts and Instagram. The mechanism looks quite solid and nothing feels annoying or out of place. It folds fast in just a few seconds. Very simple and smooth. It's super convenient when you arrive at a location and need to shoot content quickly. And here is the Bluetooth remote. I found out only after filming that this button can actually be removed and used as a remote. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, connect it, and start shooting without touching the tripod. The tripod box looks very nice. If you are looking for a tripod to give as a gift, this is a great option. It's very affordable, has attractive packing, and is super easy to use. Perfect for both beginners and casual users. It also comes with a Type-C charging cable, so you don't need any special charger. Now my favorite part, it fits inside a regular backpack. It doesn't take much space. You can carry it anywhere, walking, traveling, or shooting outdoors. Thanks so much for watching till the end.